Karnataka government has taken an urgent steps to speed up the implementation of the state's ambitious Mekedatu drinking water and power project. A high-level review meeting was held on August 18th under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, Water Resources Minister Cheluvarayaswamy and senior government officials attended the meeting. Several senior officials including the Forest Department Secretary and Water Resources Department Secretary Gaurav Gupta participated in the meeting. They held detailed discussions on the current status of the project and the next steps required for its implementation. During the meeting, it was decided that the Forest Department clearance process required for the project should be completed without any delay. Officials also discussed in detail the measures to be taken as per the rules for the trees that will have to be cleared in the dam construction area. The meeting also discussed the allocation of alternative land and plans to plant and grow new saplings as required under the rules as part of the measures to compensate for the trees that would be cleared. The detailed project report was reviewed and resubmitted to the concerned authorities. Water Resources Minister Cheluvarayaswamy and the state government are taking aggressive steps to ensure that the project is implemented as soon as possible. The Water Resources Minister said that officials have been instructed to immediately begin the next stage procedures required to obtain forest clearance. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.